Hi, my name is Chelsea Mead, and I just graduated from University of Buffalo's Occupational Therapy program.
And hi, I'm Theresa. I'm an occupational therapist and owner of Kids View Occupational Therapy.
And here's why you should come to our Children in Nature presentation. So the disconnect between children and nature has been very concerning. There's a lot of physical and emotional concerns. Research suggests an important connection between the outdoor environment and children's health. According to England Marketing from 2009, under 10% of children play outside. In a 2013 study, most children and adults believe children should be exposed to nature more, yet many of these children did not take part in playing outside. And research suggests children spend less time participating in free play, and their play has transformed over the last 50 years because of this. Research has also suggested that children participate in screen time for over 6 hours every day. With these, we are seeing a decline of outdoor play and an incline of diagnoses of sensory processing disorder and ADHD. So outdoor exposure is very important when a child is sitting throughout the school day without recess and forced to kind of focus on cognitive activities that like are high cognitive demand. The child's gonna start to fidget and rock and need to get up and release physical energy and move around and just take a break from it. And that's what attention restoration theory goes into. We can restore our mental energy by taking breaks to explore nature and release our physical energy.
With a weakened core, which comes from a lack of spending time outside and in nature, children end up having to use their outer core to compensate. And when they do this, they're using more energy and focus, they tire quicker, and they have a decrease in attention because their attention is being pulled from where it should. And children will show a drooping in posture, and they will seem weak and unbalanced. But there is an increase in core strength noted when kids spend time in free play, especially outside, like climbing trees, rolling down hills, swinging, chasing friends. Some of the concerns that do come up as far as bringing kids outside are parents' nervousness about taking the kids into a new environment, being worried about being able to manage their behaviors, not enough hours in the day, daylight hours, restraint and resources and number of people that maybe that you need to bring, a lack of green space and places that you can visit with your kid to get this outdoor time, transportation limitations, and possibly weather.
And there are many concerns for children with autism as well, and these can be brought over to just children in general. And we're going to discuss overcoming these concerns and barriers in our presentation, as well as sensory motor benefits of nature, social emotional benefits of nature with children, and evidence for attention restoration theory, outdoor free play. So we're going to suggest some activities that occupational therapists can provide to children so they can get sensory motor and social emotional benefits from being outdoors in nature. We're going to talk about incorporating nature into children's routines, how we can advocate for the schools and for parents of children who just can't find it in their schedule. And we're going to gear it towards New York State as well. So we hope to see you at our presentation.
Thank you.
And we will also hand out a page of references, so that way if you guys have any questions or are curious about anything we discussed, you'll be able to access these references through the links or DOIs on our handouts.